In this video, I'm going to use a multimeter in troubleshooting basic circuit faults in an electric motor. I have here my electric motor. This electric motor is 5 volts. We're going to set my multimeter on times 1, which is continuity. I can troubleshoot my electric motor, but I will know if there is a circuit faults in my electric motor. Positive probe goes to the red wire and the negative probe goes to the black wire. Electric motor spins, so this means that my electric motor has continuity. My multimeter also is moving. Tried to cut the red wire so that I can try another way of troubleshooting my electric motor. And upon checking the red wire, there's still a continuity. Now there's no circuit faults in my electric motor. Now I will going to check if my electric motor is grounded. Upon checking, my electric motor is not grounded. The light that just popped up is not because that my electric motor is grounded. It is because of the wire that I cut that touched the metal of my electric motor. That's why there's a sudden light